GCE O Level English Language 1123. Paper 1 Reading. How to Answer Literal Comprehension Questions.
Welcome back to Focus Online Learning Hub. If you watched my first video, thank you for joining me. In this series, I'll guide you step by step through Paper 1 reading of the Cambridge GCE O Level English Language 1123 examination. Today's lesson is about literal comprehension questions from question 1. These are some of the easiest marks in the paper, but only if you know exactly what the examiner wants. Let's look at a real Cambridge example.
The passage says, "This narrow strip of water flows between 4 seas, offering access from Asia and Europe." Now look at the question. Question 1. In what way does the geography of the Strait of the Dardanelles make it one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world? Step 1. Understand what a literal question is. A literal comprehension question asks for information that is directly stated in the passage. There is no need to infer, explain, or guess. Your answer should come straight from the text.
Step 2. Find key words. Read the question carefully and underline important words. Here they are: geography, busiest shipping lanes. These key words help you locate the relevant sentence quickly. When you return to the passage, you find this sentence. This narrow strip of water flows between 4 seas, offering access from Asia and Europe. This sentence contains the answer. Step 3. Select only the required information. Notice that the question asks, in what way does the geography make it one of the busiest shipping lanes? You do not need to copy the whole sentence. Choose only the relevant part. Acceptable answers include: it flows between 4 seas. It offers access between Asia and Europe. It connects 4 seas. It connects Europe and Asia. Any one of these earns a mark. Step 4. Learn from the mark scheme. Let's see what the Cambridge mark scheme says. It accepts answers such as: it flows between 4 seas. It gives access to Europe and Asia. It connects Europe and Asia. It connects 4 seas.
Notice something important. The mark scheme allows different wording as long as the meaning remains the same. This tells us that Cambridge is testing understanding, not memorization. If you found this lesson useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Focus Online Learning Hub, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.